La Giorgio Gresen and Friends è
Giorgio
un'impresa
Gresen and Friends is a business company that has been on the market for over 30 years. We gained popularity thanks to Spatula Sookie, a fine-grained product featuring a combination of colors with a highly emotional impact, which made us famous. We began our journey in pursuit of emotions as well as with creativity, a key concept which plays an important role in our history. Dad, what does creativity mean to you as a business concept?
Diciamo che è 30 anni che
Let's say I've been working on this dream for over 30 years. I dreamt of creating a group based on mutual friendship, respect, and above all, where anyone can win: the employees, the retailers, and even the suppliers. Today, after 30 years, this dream has become a reality. But the secret behind this achievement is having fun. Thus, we have to create something new each day to keep enjoying ourselves. And this can surely be perceived in our products.
Creare ogni giorno qualcosa di nuovo, e questo si vede assolutamente nei nostri prodotti.
Interessante.
That's interesting, but how does this creativity concept apply to our products?
Si manifesta perché io ho fatto solo
It
prodotti
happens
che non
naturally because I created products which are not too stern and serious and based on customization rather than repetition. We have a product called La Casa dei Sogni. The name says it all. It's applied using a glove, just with your hand movement, so it's very personal. Now we also have a product called Segui il tuo istinto, which is applied with a special tool and gives the opportunity to turn each application into a work of art.
un'opera d'arte.
Mi sembra che abbiamo parlato di
I see
prodotti.
we talked about very elegant and custom-made products, but to whom are our collections addressed?
A tutti quelli che si vogliono divertire.
To all those who want to have fun, who want to customize their homes in a unique way, which is in tune with their needs and their way of being. Our wish is to entertain those people buying our products.
Chi compra i nostri prodotti.